Hi everyone, this is Julie. Thank you for stopping by for another video today. And I hope you're having a fantabulous day today. And in today's video, I'm looking at 25 Dr. Sebi herbs. I would say these are 25 of the more popular Dr. Sebi herbs. And these are herbs that Dr. Sebi would have mentioned in his talks or lectures, and also would have been listed as ingredients on some of the products. And so I'll be listing about 25 of these and also talk about some of the basic uses. And before that, I'll have some small excerpts of Dr. Sebi mentioning some of these herbs. So let us just listen to the excerpts and then list the 25 herbs.
Here is a plant in front of us that is known in Central America by the Spanish-speaking Indians. They call him sauco. The blue vervain has always been one of my favorite plants in addressing prostatitis and the central nerve system. I had a little bottle just about the size with the lily of the valley. I made a tincture out of the lily of the valley, and I just happened to have that in my suitcase. We would use the kalawala, which comes from this part of the world. It's a natural plant, it's a spore plant. The molecular structure is complete, deeming it electrical.
But you know, I want to say this, coming to this church this evening to give you this lecture, I pass these herbs. Many of you know this herb, right? Burdock. Well, if you take the root and boil it, don't you know that you will be energized? Don't you know if you take the flower from this plant and take the seeds that will come out in the fall, around December, November, December, you will see the seeds on the plant, take them out, and you grind them, and you make a salve, and you put it on a sore that will never heal, it will heal.
Okay, so there you have it. That was Dr. Sebi mentioning some of these herbs. So let's go into the list. Sea moss. Sea moss is packed in minerals. It is said to contain 92 of the 102 minerals that the body needs. It supports the thyroid, skin, digestion, immunity, and overall vitality. 2. Bladderwrack. It works synergistically with sea moss. It's rich in iodine and trace minerals. It supports the thyroid and metabolism. 3. Burdock Root. Blood purifier. Rich in iron, it supports the liver and skin health and helps with inflammatory conditions. 4. Burdock Root. It aids in iron absorption, promotes elimination, and cleanses the blood and liver. 5. Sarsaparilla Root. Dr. Sebi noted that it contains the highest plant iron content. It cleanses the blood and supports the hormonal and immune systems. 6. Jamaican Blue Vervain. It's a Nervine tonic. It relieves anxiety, depression, headaches, and muscular tension. It supports emotional and mental clarity. 7. Chaparral. It's a potent antioxidant and blood cleanser. It supports lymphatic detox. It's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial and is also used for cancer support. 8. Dandelion root and leaf. Dandelion is a liver tonic, diuretic, digestive aid. It's rich in minerals and supports hormonal balance. 9. Elderberry. Elderberry is immune boosting and is also excellent for respiratory infections, colds, and flus. 10. Guaco. Guaco is a bronchodilator and expectorant. It supports asthma, coughs, congestion, and chest tightness. 11. Lupulo or hops. It's a sedative and it's calming. It reduces anxiety and promotes restful sleep. 12. Valerian root. It's a deep sleep aid. It calms the nerves and relieves stress and tension. 13. Cascara sagrada is a herbal laxative that supports healthy elimination and colon cleansing. 14. Quassia or Hombre Grande. It's a bitter herb for parasites, liver cleansing, and digestive stimulation. 15. Contribo. Traditional detox herb is very potent. Should be used sparingly for blood and body cleansing. 16. Anamu or Guinean weed. It's a potent immune modulator, antibacterial, antifungal, and traditionally used in cancer support. 17. Mule clay, also known as Mexican honeysuckle. It improves circulation, oxygenates the blood, supports red blood cell health and vitality. 18. Kalawala. Kalawala balances the immune system. It's used for autoimmune conditions, skin disorders like psoriasis and eczema. 19. Hydrangea. It breaks down kidney and bladder stones and cleanses the urinary tract. 20. Mullein leaf. It's a lung tonic. It helps to expel mucus, relieves bronchial issues, and soothes the respiratory tract. 21. Ortiga or stinging nettle. It's a nutritive herb. It supports the kidneys, blood purification, joint and hair growth, as well as skin health. 22. Damiana. It's a mood-lifting herb. It's an aphrodisiac. It supports the reproductive and nervous systems. 23. Blessed thistle. It's a bitter herb for the liver, digestion, and hormonal balance. It's often used for female reproductive support. 24. Lily of the valley. Traditionally used in small doses for heart support and circulation. 25. Red clover. Red clover is a blood purifier and lymphatic cleanser. It supports skin health, hormonal balance, and detoxification. These are just 25 of Dr. Sebi's list of herbs that are natural herbs. These are alkaline herbs that can be used to support health in terms of cleansing and detoxification, as well as offering nutrition to the body. These are 25 herbs that you would have heard Dr. Sebi mention from time to time in his lectures, or seen them listed as ingredients in one or another of Dr. Sebi's herbal formula. They help to cleanse, nourish, and restore the body naturally. So if you're on your healing journey, these are a great start. These are some herbs that you can investigate and learn more about. And also you can check out my books, Dr. Sebi Herbs Volume 1, 2, and 3, where you'll see many of these herbs listed and how you can use them along with herbal formulas. So do let me know what you think about this list. Of course, there are other herbs that Dr. Sebi has mentioned, including some of his favorites that might not be on this list, but we can do another list another time. So let me know down below what your favorite Dr. Sebi approved herb is. Maybe I mentioned it, maybe I did not. And maybe it's the herb that Dr. Sebi has mentioned that I have never mentioned and I could also profile on this channel. So let me know. And don't forget to check out the blog, The African Biomineral Balance. Some of these herbs are profiled there as well as on italisvital.info. But the AfricanBiomineralBalance.com is primarily a Dr. Sebi focused channel, whereas Ital is Vital is more general. But you will find Dr. Sebi approved content on Ital is Vital also. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Ta-ta!